Welcome back to Ghana Money King Kong, where we give you tips, tools, and deals for you to be able to stay safe and save money in Ghana. If this is the first time you're joining us, please do subscribe to our channel, follow, like our social media channels, and let's just get the conversation going. Regulators in Ghana are failing Ghanaians and consumers. That is as blunt as I can put it. This has gone on for so long, and whenever there are issues, that particular issue is not discussed properly, in my opinion. Because there's a reason why issues come, and if we don't go to the root causes, if we don't trace it back to the real issues, then we will constantly be going about this, talking, discussing, publications, certain committees, commissions, and then the issues will still be there. And so the first regulator that I want to talk about is Bank of Ghana, the financial institutions and the troubles that we've all seen and heard that's happening in Ghana now. What's the role of Bank of Ghana? Bank of Ghana is mandated to regulate, supervise, monitor, license financial institutions in Ghana. They are responsible to police the financial institutions, meaning the banks, microfinance, lending organizations, credit facility organizations. Every single sector that deals with money in Ghana has to be regulated by Bank of Ghana. That is their job. And so if we are getting problems in this sector, who should we blame? Who should we ask questions of? We should go to Bank of Ghana, because they give license to these guys. They are supposed to monitor these guys. They are supposed to supervise. They are supposed to see, check, do a due diligence on them, checks and balances, audit them. They are supposed to make sure that they look at their books and then allow them to operate. And so when you hear banks being collapsed or banks being shut down by Bank of Ghana, it's as if they are doing their job, but they are part of the problem in the first place. Yes, I mean, if you look at it, they allow these banks to operate. Year on year, they were looking at their books. These guys were sending in their financial statements. And if there was a problem, why couldn't it be found out early? And we wait until these get into a situation whereby it's out of control. And then we are going to collapse. We are going to consolidate. And you know the number of people who are being affected at the moment. Of course, maybe customers' money will be safe. But let's look at the workers. These 5 banks that has gone down, all the workers, every single staff has been given a letter. Yes, they've given them a letter saying that their jobs are only guaranteed for 60 days. 60 days, that is 2 months. What that means is after 2 months, your job is not guaranteed. You don't know if you're going to be employed. You don't know the situation in Ghana and how difficult it is to get a job. How redundancy, whether it's a redundancy, we don't even know if these guys are going to be given money. And these issues has just gone on because a regulator, in my opinion, did not do his job well. So what it is that when these things happens, the accountability, we don't see the accountability. Because at this moment, we are talking about the directors, the board members, the money that they've used, what they didn't do right. And we want to find out what happened in Bank of Ghana. Because these guys were given licensing. People signed them off. People were auditing them. We have audit committees. We have audit units. We have departments in the Bank of Ghana who are looking at these books. And so what were they doing? That's the question I want to ask. I may be just one customer. I may be just one consumer. I may be just one citizen. But at least I'm asking the question. Who did not do his job well in Bank of Ghana such that these banks are collapsing? Because they are part of the problem. I'm saying this because every single time a problem happens in Ghana, we don't go and tackle. The people at the top, nobody questions them. Nobody questions them. And consumers are the ones who suffer. And that is my worry. That is my worry, that we don't talk about people who are supposed to do their jobs and they don't do it. All I'm going to say is Ghanaians are wise Ghanaians know who are responsible. Ghanaians want to get answers. Bank of Ghana should provide these answers by doing a proper analysis and giving it to Ghanaians. We can't just get people holding up to their jobs even if they don't do things right. I'm not just saying we should just sack people, but let's just make sure that they do their job right. Because in the end, it comes back to us. In the end, it comes back to consumers. So that's the message today, Bank of Ghana. You are responsible, in my opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.